Are you looking for an easy way to increase your average order value and boost cross-sells in your Shopify store? With EXPO, you can now link products directly to option selections, allowing customers to add complementary items, bundles, refills, or curated gift sets, all from one seamless product page. In this video, we'll show you how the Link Products to Options feature works and how you can use it to drive more revenue effortlessly. Now let's quickly walk through the setup process. Okay, first things first. Open EXPO and create an option set. Add your preferred option type: checkbox, switch, drop-down, or button. As you can see, we have a lot of pre-built options here. Imagine a customer buying a toy. We will create a cross-sell campaign. So we will add an option that says, Add batteries. Then, enable Link Products and select the battery product you want to connect. When selected, the battery product is automatically added to the cart. Yeah, now we save and assign the option set to your product. Another example. We want to sell a shampoo and conditioner as a discounted bundle? Instead of creating complicated variants, we can simply create a bundle option, then link both products and apply a discount. Yeah, thus we have a package products together with the link product feature. That's it. Now, when customers select that option, the linked product is automatically handled. And that's how you use the Link Products to Options feature in EXPO. Whether you're creating cross-sells, bundles, refill offers, mix and match kits, or curated gift sets, EXPO makes it simple and powerful. Try it today and turn every product page into a smart revenue engine. See you in the next tutorial.